Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Subject Chemistry, Grade 8, Chapter number 21, Metals and Structure, page number 268. So today's student learning outcome is about alloys and properties of alloys. So let's start today's lesson. First of all, we should know that what is alloy. Before to study about the alloy, first we know about airplanes made mainly from aluminium. This a metal. If pure aluminium, their wings would soon snap off. It's very you can say that good metal, that lightweight and that used in mostly formation of plane their parts, or you can say that more than 70 to 80% of aluminium used in the formation of plane. Wings would snap off. Pure aluminium is not strong enough to cope with great stress put on wings during flight. You know that when a plane is moving, it faces lot of air pressure on it due to its speed and also due to in the air. So if this happened, the air maybe can destroy its wings, and unfortunately it become crush if it we use a pure aluminium in its formation. So what we do, so here we're going to know about the definition of alloy. An alloy is a mixture of metals. If small amount of another metal are added to aluminium, becomes a lot stronger. Like here you can see these molecules or atom of one element and this the other one. So here it's show you a mixture, small amount of another element we add in it and form an alloy. Metals are mixed together when they are molten. As we know that in solid form we can't mix the metal, so what we do, first we heat up them and melt them. When they become molten form, then we mix them. Metals never react to each other. This is also a property of metals. They're not going to react in the form of a formation of something new, but they only mix and adjust their atoms and molecule with each other. From mixture, not new compound. They only make a mixture but not new compound, because their composition is same, their electronic configuration is not changed. They just mix with each other and they just form a mixture, not a compound. So what is alloy? An alloy is a mixture of metals. Okay, so you can say that two or more metals you can mix and prepare your any type of alloy according to your desire. Now here we're going to discuss about the properties of alloys. What are the properties? In a pure metal, all atoms are same size. You can see here, if you use a pure metal, free electrons from outer shell of the element, here the all have the same size. So what happened? Layers can slide over. When you press them each other easily, happen when metals are hit with hammer. If you want to hammer on it, what happened? They will slide over each other because they have the same layer, so they can slide over each other. And pure metals are soft because layer of atom can slide over one another. So what we do, when added atoms of different size, layers of atoms can't slide over. So here you can see that if I add any other atom in this pure metal, what happened? They change their size, and also the layers are not slide easily, or it will take more force, or even it can't. So atoms can't slide over each other easily. They get jammed in place. Alloy is much harder than original metal. So you can see here, if a pure metal here, if you force on it the with hammer or something, it will slide over. But if when you add other element in it, the presence of different metal atoms mean the layer can't slide over each other as easily. So in this way it become more stronger and more strength take place here. Thanks for watching.